Here's your mindfulness tip of the week from the Office of Counseling and Student Success at CCM. So what is mindfulness anyway? Mindfulness is a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment, while calmly acknowledging and accepting one's feelings, thoughts, and bodily sensations. Mindfulness puts us in a flow state. A flow state is a mental state in which a person performing an activity and is fully immersed in a feeling of energized focus, full involvement, and enjoyment in the process of the activity. There are many activities that put us in these flow states, but one of the activities is gardening. Spending time in a garden can have real physical and mental health benefits. Gardening is also a great way to boost your mood. And studies have shown that spending time in nature can improve mental health, and gardening has been used as therapy for depression. You can create your own garden by purchasing plants or seeds online, but you don't necessarily need to have your own garden to enjoy spending time with plants. If you're not ready to create your own garden, go outside and find somewhere quiet to sit, and start by taking a few deep breaths. Then begin to examine a flower. Pay attention to each part of the flower. How do the petals look in this moment? Notice the colors and patterns of the flower. Is the center of the flower flat or is it curved? Are the leaf edges smooth or serrated? If you do choose to create your own garden outside, you'll also have the added benefit of increasing your vitamin D absorption simply by being outdoors. If you choose to create your own garden, start by digging a small pouch outside in a grassy and open area. Notice the earth, feel the soil, smell the air, and take a long, slow, deep breath. Try to connect with the world around you. Once you have collected the soil, the seed, or the plant, stop and open your eyes and look around you. Notice what plants are already in bloom. With your pointer finger, slowly poke a small hole into the soil. Take a moment to just feel the sensation of touching the soil. Be fully present to the act of planting. Notice how the soil feels, and take a moment to appreciate that you actually have soil that you can plant in. Take the seeds or the plant in your hands and silently state your intentions. May you grow and may you be healthy. Plant the seeds gently into the hole with intention and cover it up with soil. Water lightly and listen to the sound of the water hitting the earth. This is mindful gardening.